Hi everyone, welcome to my live streaming. Today we will going to use this chain making the jewelry, making a ring. Sandrine, if you are here, this one we will going to use it to make LG. She's asking that to use this chain mix with the copper wire to make a piece of the ring. So let's go into have a try. Okay. Yes, let's try it. We put just only 2 pieces of the link. Yeah, just take 2 pieces of the link. Then let's see how to attach it on the finger, on the ring. This one. Let's see if the wire here, the sides maybe 2 piece 1 millimeter wire. Let's test check if it is too much thick.
Message wap wap wap.
Okay, we're going to try. Hello everyone, happy to see you, my friends. I just test if the wire is okay to put on. Got your box today, my daughter. Seeing your gift and took it on my daughter thanks you. Thank you. I'm happy she like it. Thank you. Hi, Simon. I leave a message for you. I see it, dear sweet touch, and I will packing for you. Thank you. Hi. Hello. Happy to see you. AISS. Welcome back. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Here. Just check if 2 wire the sizes work. Test here the 2 wire 1 millimeter is no problem to attach it on this hole. Okay, then we go start to braid it. It will be a very simple ring. Simple design. Okay, cut 2 piece wire on about 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter here. Then we go to use the wire 0.4. Wire 0.4 to wrap it. Cut it about 50 centimeter to watch when you make them. Yes. So then here the top, let's just leave about 2 centimeter, left about 2 centimeter. Then we go start to braid it. Okay, here braid. Here I'm going to braid here 1, 2, 1, 2. 1. So it's wrap 2, 2, 2, 2. Braid this way. Wrap 1, 2, 1, 2. This is an idea that LG asked for it. LG have this idea, then I just let her idea come true. Okay. If you have some ideas that we can share here, and I will be going to try here. Learning today, friends. Hello, Magnolia. We are now here making a ring. The ring will be together with this chain. This is a chain like a watch band, and we will combine it to the wire. Thank you, Momomi, and thank you, everyone. Welcome to my life. So, wrapper and the wrapper here, and the wrapper. So, it's braided the ring band here now. Before we do it, we need to measure how long. Here is 1.4 the length. Okay, then 1.4, so I will braid it 5 centimeter. Going to with it about 4.5. Yeah. So braid and the braid. It's a copper wire ring here. Wrapper here, wrapper. Dear everyone, my friends, tomorrow I'm not go live. Tomorrow I take my son to 打疫苗, how to say? Let me translate. Yeah, and yeah, go to take my son to do this.
Vaccinate.
Yes, vaccinate. Yeah, in the morning. So the time, it will be a little bit too late if I come back. It take about 2 hours. Here, 1, 2. Yes, all the every baby needed to do this. So he needed to understand. Wrapper. Here in my country, if the baby not do this, they cannot go to school. They cannot go to school if they didn't do it. I love that he teach us and sell the items. We need to make them. Yes, I think, Magnolia, I think this is the most easy way for the people who want to do handmade jewelry. First, see the tutorial and understand if it's hard or not hard, or if it's easy to learn. Then they feel they can try it, then get the materials. And because the jewelry, there's some jewelry with a lot of different materials, and sometimes we'll buy the wrong size and buy missing something. Then after I show here, then you will understand more easy how to do it. Thank you. Warm bath after to soak the leg and the pain away. Yes, yeah, that's. He is brave. I remember the first time he go to do it. He didn't cry, so I don't worry about what I don't worry about him. So braid. Okay, this way. And some hosts sell to sell and no nothing. Some that's if sell to sell, they are only sold for the people who already understand how to do the jewelry and they have some experience. But in my live streaming, it's good for some new starter. They will be understand more easy here to learn. And also for the older friends, maybe you can get some inspiring here. What size? I used the 18 gauge 1 millimeter, and the 0.4 is 26 gauge. So two sides. Then make to the band here. Make to the band, we are just make it here 4.5. Why I make here 4.5? Because the two side we will make two loop total will be about 1 centimeter. Doing this for 6 years, and you have taught me a small tips to improve. Yes, that's the purpose, so we can learn each other. And you got something here, but not only got the materials. You got the tips, got some new ideas. That is happy, and so get a lot of fun here. Hi, OC Linked. Happy to see you. Okay, then here this way. So how to put it here? We're going to link the piece here. So first make a band, then we go to fold it. Centering, I was thinking to make a loop at the side, so that's why I make it this way. When make here, I have got a new idea. Maybe go to fold it on the outside. Okay, on outside. Then I bend the shape first. Bend the shape, then it will be more easy to make later. Okay. It's this way. So it's bend it to outside. This make it like this, then hang on. Oh, it's still the ring is still a small size. Okay. We go hang. Size not big like 8. It's going to be a small. So I test the size here. You understand? You test which size is good for this design. Okay. Go hang on. Here. Okay. Maybe not make cut the end too short. We can cut the end a little bit longer, then make a nice loop. I will going to try another one. This is just the first time try. First time try this way. It's not so much perfect, so it's going to be a size 7. So here is the way to make the ring, and I think